is David with PrepperBookshelf.com, and I've got a book here called The Basic Butchering of Livestock and Game. And let me tell you, a lot of folks think that if we had another Great Depression or catastrophic disaster, they'll take their AR and their 70,000 rounds of ammo and they go out and hunt. And it's a lot harder to do that in real life than than you would think. But butchering it and turning it from an animal into a usable piece of meat is a little harder. Went to a class the other day, and on the back of the wall they had this lithograph, and it said, "Meat is not meat until it's in the freezer, until it's bagged and in the freezer." And that's pretty true. I get those rabbits out there. It's a lot harder to do it than it is to read about it. Taking a chicken from a live chicken to chicken wings isn't as easy. And so this book is a nice book to have to kind of tell you, how to cut this stuff up. What is usable, what is not usable. How to butcher and dispatch the livestock, without hurting, as little as possible. How not to have a lot of waste. And I'll tell you, that's something that everyone kind of needs to know if they're serious about disaster prepping or sustainable living or local eating, whatever, raising your own food, and how to butcher it. And it talks about cows and lamb and pork and poultry, rabbit, and then wild game too, like venison. So this book kind of covers it all, right? Lots of good photographs, illustrations, along with good step-by-step guides. I would recommend you having this book or a very similar book to it. So there you go, Basic Butchering of Livestock and Game by John Mettler Jr., Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. All right, so here you go. And until next time, you can always catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.